I just broke my needle.
Something to let you know that you're my only one. I know you're feeling on. I'll fuck you till you come. Said I don't understand how you don't got a man. You want me in your bed, 'cause I've been in.
What up, what up? How's it going? How's it going? T Uzumaki back with another video. Hey guys, welcome to my room. I'm not done decorating it and stuff, so we're not really gonna do a room tour, but I moved, so this is gonna be a consistent background, or I might change the camera. It's gonna be in this room is my point. Anyways, so as you've seen in the title of this video, we are making our own headband wig. I don't know if you guys watched the last video I had posted about the original queen hair, but the hair was the frontal was not giving what it was supposed to have gave, so I kept having to do extra stuff because the frontal part, the hair felt very much nappy and dry and synthetic. To be honest, I'm just being honest, they said it was human hair, but it didn't feel like it. But the bundles in the back was so soft, so sleek, like it felt like non-A grade hair mixed with some synthetic kinky curly hair in the front. So what I'm going to do is we're going to rearrange the whole thing and we're going to make our own headband wig. So to do this, you're going to need a headband. I got this little Velcro thing from my dry erase board that it came with it, so I'm just gonna use this and sew it on, but I got the Velcro for the back of the head. You're gonna need a needle and thread, maybe some scissors if you need to cut the lace off. Let's get into this, and don't forget to leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you're not, you're late. Anyways, but enjoy this video. It's just matted and it's just bad, and no matter what I do, it just gets worse and worse by the second that I leave it out. Like this whole thing got dreaded together. Like just look at it. Original queen, y'all just needed to get it together. So I don't really know what the hell I'm doing right now, but we're just gonna go with the flow, really, to be honest. What I think I'm gonna do is literally just cut off the frontal part. So I'm gonna cut off along here, right? And then I'm going to sew the headband on. Literally, that's all I'm gonna do right now. So let's do it. And I'm gonna take the comb from the side and sew it here because I took out the comb that was in the front because I'm allergic to that shit. But it's gonna go like in under my cap type shit. So I'm gonna sew this comb, one of these combs, I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna sew them on here. So let's do this shit. But right now I'm just parting the hair, separating the track. I don't know, she tried it. Original queen, you tried it. You did. You get an E for effort, but that's about it. That's all you getting. Like even while I'm just touching it, the back of the hair feels so soft and the front of the hair just feels so nappy. Like I'm about to get a paper cut. I hope this isn't a long process. To be honest, I don't think it's gonna be because it's not like I'm making my own wig. The wig is already made. I'm taking it apart and sewing a headband on it. Let's do it. Just do it, Tiana. I've never done this to one of my wigs before. It's actually breaking my heart because I paid $200 for this whack ass wig and I've paid less for a wig that lasts longer and was better off Amazon. So the issue wasn't Amazon. I don't want to hear that. The issue is not Amazon. The issue is this bitch ass vendor. And the thing is, I see mad people posting pictures on Instagram with this hair on, and I'm just like, so y'all not gonna tell nobody what the hair really feel like in real life? Nobody gonna tell nobody? Y'all just gonna keep having these people buy this? Look at this, look at this. Number one, look how much space was left. Look at how much space was left. 4 inches my asshole. That's what 4 inches look like. My goddamn booty hole. This shit is just matted down. It's mad in the garbage. I have the luxurious bundles still here. They don't look luscious or luxurious. Let's get the sewing one. Just gonna put it in the middle, right? Just like so. And then we just gonna start going in with our needle and thread. Make sure the string is nice and straightened or else it's gonna make a knot. A bad knot. Yeah, this is not straightened. This isn't straightened at all. Is that the knot right there or is that not a knot at all? Is it not a knot? Not a knot. Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna go in like that. Should I do a over-under type of situation? I'm probably just gonna do the over-under type of situation. trying to do the knot. Just make a knot there. God damn it. Make the knot closer to where the thing is that you tying off at. I'm trying. I'm never good at this part. How do people be doing? Do I just hold it down like that and then it just knots downwards? Cut that bitch off. It ain't nothing to cut that bitch off. What? Hey, so what you saying, ho? You know I'm the man, ho. Did I do this right? I don't know. I didn't watch no video or nothing. In my head, it was going to work. So that means in real life, it should also work. Which isn't always the case, but that's okay. Then we're going to take our headband. I got the one with the grip on the inside. Just cut that bitch in half like that. Boom. Now where the little Velcro at? Now, let me measure my head to make sure it's right. God damn it, gotta take my glasses off. Go around the head. Okay, I'm just gonna put one here. So you're gonna sew one side down on one opposite side, and then sew the other side down on the other opposite side. As soon as, let me put my goddamn glasses back on. As soon as I find the needle. Turns out it was right behind me. As soon as I stood up, turned off the goddamn camera. Okay, I brought you down, guys, down lower because I can't move my camera because my stand is broken. But that's okay. Right here, and I'm just gonna sew it. Sew it around. Just gonna sew this bitch around. I'm not a sewer. I don't do this. I don't know how to properly do this. So if you think you're gonna like take notes from me, the only note is probably what not to do. You feel me? But we gonna make it work because like that's what I always do anyways. I just broke my needle. I'm about to kill myself. Yeah, I don't even know. What am I supposed to even do now? What time is it? I'm lazy and I got hot glue, so I decided to hot glue it on. She's pretty fucking sturdy. Can I be honest? I want to see if I could just hot glue the headband onto the wig. Because I'm lazy and I don't want to run back to the store for another needle. That is my needle broken. If it's broken, I'm gonna try it. I don't know, y'all. Shit, fuck balls. It's hot, fucking hot. I don't know if it's gonna stay though. It better stay. Push that bitch down. Blend in with it. But it's starting to. I'm stretching it out while I'm going. So it can have like its full extension around the wig. But push come to shove, I'm gonna just go run and get a needle. I'm just being lazy. I really don't want to go. And I feel like the beauty supply stores is closed right now. Myself, like a lot doing this. But I think my laziness is gonna work. It better. It fucking better. Because if I do all of this and still have to go get thread, I'm gonna be really upset. But so far she's sticking. It was a messy job. Hold on, let me put it in the light. It was a messy job. Gulp. But we're not gonna be looking at this side, so it really don't matter. Definitely y'all should sew it. Definitely sew it if you can. You feel me? My hair not even blended with it, but it's on here. I gotta wash my hair and shit. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks after I wash my hair. Hold on. Like it's my hair. Nice. Hold on, flatten that part down a little bit. Flatten that. Yes. How is it looking from the back? Do you see the bulk? Can you see the bulk? No, you can't. So I'm gonna wash my hair, wash this hair. There's a lot of washing going on. And then imagine when I do the little swoop, the little swooty doo doop. Bring my light back. The little swooty doo doop. It's mad hot glue in there. I really hope it holds with the hot glue. I'm gonna be upset if I'm just chilling and then snap my whole headband come off. Okay, so it's the next day. We had some malfunctions with the electricity, so it took a whole day for me. Anyways, so here it is. Sis is on. Like, bitch trying to pull my shit off. She gonna have some troubles. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not. Better lighting. That's it. Anyways, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell their grandmother's dog that we lit on this side. Bye.
fuck you till